Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Knee Fashion Single Keyboard Switch Game Keypad, a unique and highly programmable USB device that does much more than just act as a standard keyboard. This innovative gadget is purpose-built for gamers, DIY enthusiasts, and regular users seeking to boost their productivity by setting up custom key functionalities without the need for any additional software downloads. The Knee Fashion keypad features a single programmable key that supports a myriad of functions. You can assign virtually any key, from simple commands like Enter, ESC, or any letter key such as A, to more complex key combinations like Ctrl Shift S. It even allows for media control commands like cutting a song or adjusting your volume on the fly. Additionally, the product can simulate mouse movements and clicks, which means after triggering the button, it can automatically send an Enter key command or even type out a string of characters, perfect for auto password entries. One of the standout features is its adjustable RGB lighting, which offers a visually appealing customization option that complements its mechanical keyboard elements. Equipped with Cherry MX red switches, the device offers a crisp and responsive tactile experience that appeals to both gamers and typists alike. Despite its advanced capabilities, the setup remains remarkably simple. Just visit the provided URL, connect the keyboard via the included 1.5-meter micro USB cable, and let the web page recognize your device, making the process straightforward and hassle-free. In real-life usage, this keypad has demonstrated strong performance, especially in scenarios that require rapid command execution or repetitive key inputs. Gamers will appreciate the quick and reliable response times when setting up macros for key combinations or media control. DIY enthusiasts and productivity users can benefit significantly from its programmable options, making routine tasks more efficient. However, as with any niche product, there are a few drawbacks. Some special key combinations might not work as expected, which can be a slight inconvenience. Moreover, while the one-key setup is innovative, users requiring multiple customizable keys may find the single key limiting compared to more robust macro pads available in the market. If you're considering similar products, you might encounter multi-key programmable devices that offer a wider range of customization options. However, the Knee Fashion keypad stands out by focusing on simplicity and ease of configuration, making it a great choice for those who don't need an overly complicated setup. For optimal use, it's advisable to experiment with different key mappings on the official website and integrate the device into your regular workflows to maximize its utility. Overall, I highly recommend this device for gamers, software developers, or anyone looking to simplify repetitive tasks with a single press. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this review helpful. Have a great day and happy keyboarding.